here. I'll just show you guys. Yeah, what's the example. Abandoned house. Can you see it? Oh, it's really sick. So give me the camera. Very close. I'm gonna start treatment on this guy. I'll get all the medication. And start treatment. This is where he lives. This is the environment. It's the abandoned house. Well, there's a lot better now. As you can see his paws and everything. There's no blood on him. He was diagnosed with leishmaniasis. So we treated him ourselves and he's a lot better now. He's very strong, he's got a very strong immune system. He's a very good dog. So after getting fed well and getting treated right, he's a lot stronger and a lot better now. He's got a very strong immune system. So we didn't have to take this dog to the vet. He's a lot more better. After getting fed and treatment, much more healthier. We didn't have to take him to the vet or anything. We've done it ourselves. See here, blood.